In 2024, Yutong has gone through a journey full of challenges and opportunities with you. Whether it is innovation in the new energy field or exploration of intelligent technology, they have witnessed Yutong's unremitting pursuit of excellent quality. Yutong has always embraced the world with an open attitude, meeting the diverse needs of different countries for sustainable transport safely and efficiently. Behind every product is our challenge to the limits of technology and our deep understanding of customers' needs. Customer satisfaction is the best proof of our quality and the driving force for our continuous progress.
O chassi da Yutong é muito resistente.
When we are choose the Yutong bus, that's depended on a lot of things. The first after sales service and also the cost of spare parts.
Technology is the ladder that we continue to climb. From breakthroughs in new energy technologies to the deep integration of vehicle-to-network technologies, we continue to explore the unknown. The birth of each technology is our commitment to more efficient, safer, and more sustainable travel. Each of our products has withstood rigorous tests, which is not only a verification of our product performance, but also the best interpretation of our courage to explore and surpass.
Quality and comfort is absolutely in match with the top European bus makers today.
Yutong discussed sustainable public transportation development trends and solutions with global media and industry experts, delivering the concept of sustainable public transportation development.
All 4 tests were very impressive.
So I hope to see one of these buses, these automatic buses, in the near future in my country.
In the pursuit of excellence, we have never forgotten our responsibilities. We hold a global vision and an open mind to tell our story and embrace every partner. For every journey, we pave the way for a better, intelligent tomorrow. The road ahead is ours to shape as we drive into a future full of promise and innovation. Hello, 2025. Together, let us think eco, move green,